Hi there, I'm Carolyn Dunn, and I'm a dot mandala artist, and I'd like to welcome you to my channel. Okay, my friends, I just got a delivery of some new paint. These are the Arteza Premium Metallic Acrylic Paints. And it comes with 36 colors. I'm so excited. Each tube is 21.8 mil. Let's look at these beautiful colors. Look at all those colors. I'm very excited to use them. So these are more of a heavy body paint, so we will need to mix them with a pouring medium in order to use them for dotting. And so I have base painted a Lazy Susan, of course. I base painted it in black, and then I coated it with dragonfly glaze. So it's metallic to start with, and we're going to use some of these new metallic paints that we've got to create our new Lazy Susan. But first, let's check these paints out. Each tube is labeled with its color name, its color number, and it also indicates its light fastness, its transparency, and its pigment number. Okay, I'm going to test out these paints by putting a blob of it there with it undiluted, and then doing some dots. Okay, so that is the 700, A700 Pearl White. Now we're going to go in with the Pearl Canary Yellow. And for time's sake, I'm going to speed this up so that you can see all the colors and what they look like once they're on the paper and what they look like when they're dry. And I am telling you, they are gorgeous. Okay, let's get those colors down. Okay, so I am definitely sold on the metallic paints by Arteza. These are gorgeous and they're just stunning and so vibrant. Now I ended up using them to create a Lazy Susan that I called the Universe, and I am just finishing up a video tutorial on how I created that, so please stop by and see that video. Subscribe and you'll be notified. So love, love, love these colors and highly recommend them. And now we'll show you a sneak peek of the Universe Lazy Susan. The colors just pop on this, and I'm eager to share it with you. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one, and keep on dotting.